So, personalized product development. So this is, you know, functionally speaking, it would be a combination of generative and predictive AI. What would happen if I could take a look at a product that would appeal specifically to you? Would you buy it? And if I can do that at scale for a large number of people, would they buy it? And again, the implication is yes. Why do I say that? Well, we take a look at a product like the iPod. You know, when Apple came out with the iPod, there were dozens of other MP3 players on the market,
Mm.
um, and actually nobody knew that they needed one. Now, I'm pretty much the only person I know who doesn't have an iPod, who's never had an iPod. Everybody has iPods. Nobody knew they needed them. Steve Jobs created a product that was tailored to a specific demand that people didn't know they had. And so you can use AI to personalize products, um, analyze market trends, and say, okay, well, here are three products, here are three services that are most likely going to benefit from this. And then you can turn around and use AI saying, okay, how do I market this? How much should I spend? Where should I go? And AI, if it's trained properly, will give you all those answers. And the difference, let me just point out the difference um, in terms of income for a business owner. If your business is turning 250,000 in annual revenue, if you implement AI, you could probably triple or quadruple your business in a year. Boatload of wealth. In terms of targeted marketing, like I said, you create the product, then you say, okay, where do the people from this that need this product live? What do they buy? What kind of where do they put themselves so that I can put this product in front of them so they see, oh, I can use it. In terms of the financial services, Wealth Simple, and God only knows how many American and European and Japanese companies have been using robo advisors, and it makes perfect sense. Why that robo advisor doesn't have rent, doesn't have a mortgage, doesn't have children, so those decisions for its recommendations are always going to be 100% objective, and they are going to, cross our fingers, be focused on helping the client reach their goals. Why wouldn't I use that? Why would I pay an advisor who, you know, that advisor needs rent? So a fund or an ETF or somebody's paying a little extra commission, 1%. Well, that 1%, if I put 20, $30 million in, that starts to add up.
You mentioned
That starts to add up.